So the other thing we like to do before we wrap up is finish with something we call the Whissel Widget of the week. This is something that we're utilizing in our business that either saves us time, makes us more money, or just helps us have more fun. What do you got for us today, Bryan?
Now, I did a 2-pack before. It's going to be a 4-pack of... No, I'm just kidding. So what I have is a camera strap from Peak Design. So this is for my camera nerds out there. I've never been a big camera strap fan. I don't like it around my neck. And the more I use my cameras for video, the more difficult it is because having a camera strap adds weight and adds kind of dimension on different sides of the camera. So this looks fairly simple. It's a camera strap, right? But typically you have a couple different options for connecting. You can either connect it on the sides of the camera, usually with some sort of strap that you wrap around, and it's not permanent, but it's a pain in the ass to take off. The other one is usually they give you like a quick release plate and you can put it on the bottom of the camera. Well, seeing that I use quick release plates all the time with my cameras, those weren't attractive options for me. So with this, if you're watching on the YouTube video, you'll see it. They have these little basically quick release straps on the side that you just click into the camera strap. It's hard to do this one-handed. I'm actually doing it two-handed, aren't I? I don't know why it's difficult. And it just clips in there, and then it's really easy to take off or put on the camera strap. So if I'm walking around all day and want to have the camera strap on, I put it on. Otherwise, I take it off and I put it on my gimbal or I put it on my tripod. Just makes it a really easy solution for something that kind of bugged me for a couple of years. So Peak Design made this. I use the thin one. There's a thin one and a thick one. I like the thinner strap. That's my widget.
I love it.
That's
That's a good follow-up compared to your dry erase markers.
I still like my dry erase markers.
Clearly. All right, the one I got for you guys today, this is for those of you that do some traveling and really want to kind of keep things to a minimum and travel lightly.
Is it a neck pillow?
No.
Okay, good. I'll do that next week.
I have a neck pillow, and I forget that damn thing every single time I fly. I always forget the freaking neck pillow. And I got like a nice one, too. Forget it every time. But I'm the kind of guy, I want to travel lightly, which is part of the issue that I'm trying to solve with this piece. And the other problem is when we go to events like conferences and stuff like that, we're on our phones nonstop, and we're always killing the battery, and we're trying to like find chargers, and we're sitting on the floor in the corner of the room, plugged in, trying to get some battery, or we roll the dice and plug our phone in and hope it's there when we come back an hour later. So I don't really like those options. So I got this device here from Anker. These guys make some really cool devices. And what this one is if you're watching on YouTube, you can see it. If you're not watching on YouTube and you're just listening, it looks like any other charger out there.
Like a power
brick. It's like a wall charger. Just looks like a big block. You plug it in. You plug a USB cable in. You charge your iPhone. Now, what makes this one really cool is that when you have this thing plugged in, yes, it is charging your phone. What it's also doing is it's charging the block. And the block itself is a portable charger. So what's really cool when you leave your at night, you plug in and charge your phone overnight in your hotel room. You wake up the next morning and you can just flip the little plug in. You got this nice little square block. You could throw it in your pocket. If you're a girl, throw it in your purse. And when your battery gets dead, then you can just plug a cable in. And now this is also a portable charger. So it acts not only as a wall charger, but it acts as a portable charger as well.
That's pretty cool, too.
Which is pretty freaking rad.
I was trying to think of how that was going to integrate with a neck pillow, and I realized you didn't talk about a neck pillow. I did. I was like, how are you going to charge a phone with a neck pillow? What the hell?
Yeah, so I don't remember the name of this bad boy. Oh, here we go. It's Anker Powercore Fusion 5000.
Ooh, the 5000.
The 5000.
I thought it was the 3200.
No, that was last year.
It's a piece of shit.
Yeah. We stepped it up. We went big, the 5000. So this thing is rad, and it has 3 outlets on it. So 2 USB-A's and a USB-C outlet, which is cool. So you could charge like your laptop, your phone, your watch, all simultaneously off this thing. So this one's been rad. Love it. The Anker Powercore Fusion 5000.
I'm going to buy one of those.
Yes. All right, guys. Well, hopefully you got some value out of the show today. If you enjoyed it, if you're watching on YouTube, hit that subscribe button and hit the little bell so you get notified of future episodes. And if you're watching or listening on iTunes, make sure to subscribe, or any of the platforms out there. Make sure you subscribe, give us a review, a rating. That stuff really, really helps us out. I think we're now on like iHeartRadio and Pandora,
Spotify,
all that fun stuff. So whatever platform you're enjoying our content, hook us up with a review. That stuff really, really helps. All right, guys, I want to thank you again so much for watching this episode of the Whissel Way podcast.
See you guys next week.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.